Okay, so what we're going to do is learn how to make a Google document. I explained this in a blog before, but I'd like to walk you through the process. So first, I started out on the Google page. As you can see, I'm already logged in. I do have a Google account. You will need a Google account to do this and be logged in. At the start, you'll see a menu of different options like YouTube, Gmail, and there's one called Drive. Now, this confuses some people because it used to be called Google Docs and now it's Google Drive, but it's still commonly referred to as Google Docs. So if you go ahead and start out just by clicking the Google Drive, it'll take you right there. And as you can see, I have a couple of little documents, but I kind of try to clear it out. So to start creating a new document, what you'll do is go over on the left side to where it says create. Simple as that. And you can see there are different options: documents, presentations, spreadsheet, forms, all sorts of different things that you can do. And there's also from template. Now, if you click on from template, the templates will pop up and you can kind of see different options that you have for templates that you could use. Like templates that I've used, my templates, if you create your own. There's actual highest rated templates, and there is a internet review system, so you can see which ones, or at least narrow it down, which ones you might like, might not like. We're gonna go ahead, let's see what's on the highest rated. Okay, let's scroll through here and see one that we might like. And as you can see, there's a big, well, let's go back to the top. And what I'll do is search for templates. And a common one in education that we might use is for lesson plans. So we can search a template for lesson plans. There we go. Okay, so right off the bat, this is one of the highest rated lesson plans, even though it only has one rating. If you scroll down, most of them don't have too many ratings, but we'll just pick a random one and see what comes up. This looks interesting. So when you click on that link, it's going to go ahead and open up the Google Doc for you. And you can look through the template and see, oh, I like this, I don't like this. And basically it gives you a Word document or a Word style document where everything's already there. So you can go and, for the week, you can just right there on the document type in or I'm sorry, you just click on use this document first. So there we go. And it opens up for you and you can type in right there. So let's say a week of December 10th. Oh, I spelled December wrong. Let me spell check that. And you can go ahead and you can use things like spell check right on the document. Or you can say, maybe this is week 2, maybe this is, whatever you want it to say. And you can go through and fill it out, reading, we read, I'm a horrible typer, read book to self. Simple as that. So we have our document. I'm not going to go through and fill it out for you because you can do that yourself. But as you can see also along the top, there are different editing options that you would commonly see with Word or other Word type programs, where you can change the text, the size, bold, italics. Where's your centering? Do you want to add numbers or bullets? And it has basic options on top of it and allows you to utilize this and use these templates. It makes it very simple. So now we have our document done. You can go and you can publish it. You can share it. You can make a new one. You can rename it, make a copy. All of those things are available. So what I'm going to do is over here, I'm going to click the share button. And when we do that, you can give, this would be the link that you use to share with other people. And you can allow who has the access. So here, like mine's private right now, I can make it so that anyone who has the link can look at the document, or I can make it public on the web so that people can look on my document and basically see what I did, which makes it very, very user friendly. Now here, if we want to add people to it, what we can do is, let's do this. Oh, I hate it when this happens. Okay, there we go. We can add people to the document who can make changes. So before I blogged about having a live document where you can collaborate with people or collaborate with workers, and basically everyone can use the document. If you have a group project, you can be at home and simultaneously work on the document together when you have a shared document like this. So if you give the option can edit and then enter in an email like, this isn't a real person, but my friend at yahoo.com. Okay, so you would save that, send a person a copy of a link to the document, and then those people have the access to actually edit the document with you, which makes it probably the most interesting feature about this, because that's something we can't otherwise do. So basically, I'm going to exit out of this. But that's a brief introduction to Google Docs. I would honestly say, like most things on the web, the easiest way to get to know it is to simply play around with it yourself and make some documents, see how it works. Thank you.